Welcome to Research Methods, the summer online course. My name is Sarah Beth Bell, and I'll be the instructor for this class. This class also has a teaching assistant, and his name is Cullen. He'll be the grader for this class. Research Methods is my very favorite class to teach. I'm very passionate about methodology. After you take this class, what you'll be able to do is look at scientific articles in the news or in journals and critically examine them to understand if what they're saying is really scientific or more like pseudoscience. We'll be learning about experimental designs, how to control experiments to make sure that we're understanding what we think we're understanding in experimental design. It's a really neat area and it's really practical to real life. Now, this class has a lot going on considering that it's only in 8 weeks, whereas during the school year it would normally be taught across 15 weeks, so it will take a lot of work. Each week, there will be lectures posted online by my colleague and friend Nathan DeWall. So what you'll see there is when the week appears, you will be able to open the lectures, and it'll be a series of lectures that have a PowerPoint and then his little face is in the corner lecturing. And the lectures are very good, so I hope that you'll enjoy them. Each week there will also be assigned readings in your textbook. Let me grab mine. So for this class, you need the Goodwin Research in Psychology textbook. It looks like this. I would recommend you get it right now as soon as you see this video. I got mine on Amazon for about $50. You can get the 7th edition or the 6th edition. I have the 6th edition because it was cheaper, and if you want to use that, that's totally fine. The 7th edition is a little bit more updated. On Canvas, the instructions show for both editions. You'll also need this lab manual. Now, of course, these are listed in your syllabus too, but it's the McBride and Cutting Lab Manual. I got a used copy for $16, so I hope you have as good of luck as I did. And a lot of assignments that you'll need to do this semester will be in the manual. So like I said, go ahead and get those as soon as possible because we'll be using them right away. Okay, now this class unfolds kind of slowly because it takes time to learn. So I didn't want to post all the material all at one time because no one's going to learn anything very good if you binge on it at the beginning or binge on it at the end. So the content is released just every week, a little bit more content is released. So besides watching the lectures and doing the readings, each week there will be laboratory assignments that you'll have to do. Most of them are pretty brief. A lot of them are worth 5 points, and this is a 500-point class. Now, there will also be 2 major projects in this class, so I just want to kind of mentally prepare you for that right now. It is a lot to do in 8 weeks. The first project will be an APA-style research paper based on research that you will actually participate in. So this is really cool. What will happen is you will be part of an online research study that will be assigned to you and released in a couple weeks. After that, I'll analyze the data for us, and I'll post a document online that shows the results of that study. From there, you'll be writing drafts of parts of your paper that our TA Cullen will grade. You'll write the introduction 1 week, you'll write the results 1 week, and so on and so forth, and then finally you'll write a whole term paper about the results of the experiment that we did. The other final project you'll be doing is proposing your own experimental idea. So that's always really interesting for me to grade. So you'll propose it kind of midterm, and then you'll work on that paper as well. Like I said, it's a whole lot to pack into just 8 weeks, but the material is really cool, so I hope that you enjoy learning it. And I am available by email or on Canvas. I try to respond as soon as I can, always within 24 hours or 36 hours on the weekend. Go ahead and download the syllabus. With so many assignments going on, I'd recommend that you print it out or write down when everything is due because it really is a lot of material to get through, and I don't accept any late work without documentation. The last thing I was going to say is our office hours are virtual. I'm always happy to meet with you in person, so if that's something that you want or need, just shoot me a message on Canvas or through my email and let me know. Otherwise though, there's a feature on Canvas called Collaborations, and what will happen is on the syllabus it tells you when my office hours are. I tried to put them at different times of the day because I know most of you guys are working, so I'm trying to work with everybody's schedule. During those times, I will go onto the collaboration feature on Canvas, and what I'll do is just get on, and then if you get into the collaboration room as well, then you can talk to me. You can use messaging, or you can talk to me out loud, whatever you want. If the hours that I have don't work for you, I'm happy to meet with you at another time. Just let me know. With that, like I said, the first thing you should do is definitely get those textbooks, look on the syllabus for the information, and we'll go ahead and get this started. Looking forward to working with all of you guys.